Hello, my name is Nia and I'm making French toast. So the ingredients are cow ghee, milk, egg, and sugar, and bread. And then you crack the egg, mix it up, and then put it into a plate, and then put milk and mix it. You too. When you turn the heat on, then after you put some cow ghee, take the bread and dip it into the mixture we made. And then you put it on the pan. And you do the second. After you put the second one on, after you just wait for a while and then flip it. I sometimes just squeeze it so it get roasted better. And you cook it until it's brown so it's toasted a little. And this is what I made, and this is my brother Nathan, and I'll give it to him so he could try it. Here, Nathan.
Wow, freaking good.
And this is my first cooking vlog. Like, subscribe, and share.
And comment.
Bye.
And comment.
Yeah, comment.
And like.